You know what today is? It's a great day for cooking. So today, we're gonna make the only real food I actually can cook. So, you're gonna take out your... So we're gonna get the ingredients, of course. So, get out your P.F. Chang's home menu. Beef with broccoli is a meal for two, but you can make it for yourself because you don't need anyone else. You need one person, and that's yourself. So you're gonna take your P.F. Chang's home menu. This is what I cook. This is one of my favorite things to eat. Never been to P.F. Chang's, but I like the home menu. It's pretty good. So you take that. Then you take some ramen noodle soup, because you're trash. I'm trash, and you're watching this, so you must be trash. Right? No, you're probably a good person, actually. I'm just trash, and I'm going to have ramen noodle soup. But the thing is, though, we aren't going to use the sauce packet, because that's a lot of sodium. Too much sodium. Not enough, I don't know. Too much sodium. So we're going to take this, and let's grab our ingredients. Let's get cooking, my dudes. This is the part where it looks honest, where you actually start cooking it. So I'm gonna chop up these brown things where like the sauce, I guess, it thickens as you cook it. So you want it to be kind of try to like you want it to be I have no. I cannot put that. There's so much sauce and no stuff to cook. That's fine. Having a skinny dinner. I mean, it's lunchtime. Having a little skinny lunch today, you know? Having literally so skinny with doing the ramen, so basically just let this, so now that we kind of got down, just let that sit for a little bit, put it on, and let it sizzle. Now, I'm going to check how this water's doing. That's boiling! So, oh my gosh, so now we're going to put the ramen. Oh. No! It's not the beef. You got a spoon? Oh, that's not clean. No! These scissors are crusty, so they'll be fine. So, we got the packet out. I don't know if I recorded that. We just strained it. I just shake it around. I can't toss it up in the air or anything because I'm scared. I just like move it around. I also didn't record me straining it because that's a two-handed job. And no thank you. I can't do that. So we're just gonna knock that bad boy down here. A bowl that's not a bowl. It's a bowl thing. So we have that, and now we're gonna put the beef soak. So thank you all for joining me on this episode of Cook With Me. Apparently this is a new series. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. I really would appreciate that love. See you in the next one, guys. Hopefully, if you try it, tell me how you feel about it. I bet none of you will, but that's fine. Hope you guys have a really good one. Peace.